At the beginning, it's a little hard to understand the flow to publish your application to the Heroku servers, but I'll walk you through it visually first so that you have a good understanding of the process before we do it in the terminal. First, you would create or fork your application in GitHub. This is going to be your origin repository. As you work on your application, you would use this repository as your backup. The next thing you do is create a Heroku application. Think of the application as the blueprint from where you will generate the actual servers that will get spawned to support your application when you deploy it. When you create this application, your local Git repository will be modified to reflect a new remote endpoint called Heroku. So from this point on, you can post to your original repository or you can push to the Heroku repository. The difference is that when you push to the Heroku repository, the blueprint is modified for any new servers. So when you do a git push Heroku, you will be updating the blueprint and you can then generate the servers from there. The command to spawn the new servers is called Heroku ps.scale, and then the process name and the number of servers. The web servers are assigned to the service web, which is a special type of server that receives requests made to your application's URL. So in this graph, we're doing Heroku ps.scale web equals 1 to spawn just one web server. If you are using Docker, the process doesn't involve Git anymore. You would still have your origin Git repository, but on the Heroku side, you would log in to their container servers and push changes using Heroku container.push web, or the name of the service. After that, the process to spawn new dynos is the same as before. We just need to type Heroku ps.scale web equals 1.